A former bank teller collapsed in the dock of the Supreme Court after being sentenced to nearly 20 years jail for murdering one of her customers. Nancy Brayshaw was suffocated and strangled inside her Epping home 2.5 years ago. Kaycee Henzon had defrauded Miss Brayshaw of $115,000, but a judge was at a loss to explain why she killed her.
Kaycee Henzon shielded her face with her hair and sobbed as the judge detailed her crime, but slumped to the floor as she learned her sentence.
We're very grateful for the members of the New South Wales Police Force and the DPP. I think they did a wonderful job in the apprehension and the conviction of this criminal at the callous time.
Nancy Brayshaw was 72 years old, her killer 26. Kaycee Henzon's deception began with another two of her customers, a couple from whom she defrauded $16,000 in 2 withdrawals. She then moved on to Nancy Brayshaw's account, withdrawing $15,000. Henzon suddenly splashed out on a new car. She went on to pull a further $100,000 from Miss Brayshaw's account. The sentencing judge said she went to the home because she was seeking in some way to prevent the discovery of her fraud. Nancy Brayshaw died in a struggle. Before she was arrested, Henzon concocted a story about being sexually assaulted by strangers at Miss Brayshaw's home. Justice Hidden said the account was a complete fabrication and the detail provided was false. Even though Kaycee Henzon's time at the bank was brief, her acts of fraud were prolific and continued even after they were first reported.
As of tomorrow, we're just going to turn over a new page in our book and start our lives again.
Henzon was ordered to spend a minimum 14.5 years in jail. Her earliest possible release will be in June 2024. Carl Herr, ABC News.